Microsoft Teams, a comprehensive introduction. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform designed to streamline communication, collaboration, and teamwork in modern organizations. As a core part of Microsoft 365, it integrates seamlessly with various productivity tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and SharePoint, allowing teams to work more efficiently and stay connected from anywhere. Whether you're in a small startup or a large enterprise, Microsoft Teams provides a flexible and scalable solution for remote work, communication, and project management. What is Microsoft Teams? At its core, Microsoft Teams is a digital hub that combines chat, video meetings, file sharing, and collaboration in a single workspace. It enables users to communicate with each other, share information, and manage tasks without having to switch between multiple apps. Teams is designed to foster productivity by centralizing communication and streamlining processes that would otherwise require multiple tools. Key features of Microsoft Teams. Chat. Teams offers a chat feature that allows for both individual and group messaging. It's designed to replace traditional emails with real-time conversations. Users can send text, share files, or even record voice messages. The chat interface also supports threaded conversations, making it easy to track replies to specific messages, keeping communication organized. Meetings and video conferencing. One of the standout features of Microsoft Teams is its ability to facilitate video and audio calls, whether it's a one-on-one conversation or a large group meeting. Teams supports HD video, screen sharing, and virtual whiteboards, making remote collaboration feel seamless. Scheduling meetings is also straightforward, and Teams integrates with Outlook to ensure no scheduling conflicts. File sharing and collaboration. Microsoft Teams integrates deeply with OneDrive and SharePoint, allowing users to share and co-edit documents directly within the platform. This means you don't need to leave the conversation to access or modify files. Collaborative tools such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are available directly within Teams, letting teams work on documents in real time. Channels and teams. Teams allows you to create teams for specific departments or projects. Within each team, you can create multiple channels for different topics or tasks. This feature keeps everything organized, allowing members to focus on specific aspects of a project while still having access to the broader team's resources. For instance, a marketing team might have channels for campaign planning, content creation, and analytics. Task management with Planner. Microsoft Teams integrates with Planner, a task management tool that allows teams to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Planner helps teams stay organized by ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities and can easily see the status of different tasks. App integrations. One of the strengths of Microsoft Teams is its ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party applications. These integrations expand the functionality of Teams, enabling teams to connect with tools they already use, from project management apps like Trello to file storage platforms like Dropbox. Microsoft also provides its own apps like Power BI for reporting and Power Automate for process automation. Benefits of Microsoft Teams. Improved communication and collaboration. Microsoft Teams brings together various communication tools such as instant messaging, video calls, and meetings into a single platform. This eliminates the need for separate applications, improving communication efficiency. The ability to collaborate in real time on documents, share screens during meetings, and organize discussions within channels keeps teams focused and productive. Enhanced productivity. Teams improves productivity by reducing the time spent switching between different applications. Since everything is integrated within one platform, teams can work more efficiently without losing time navigating between various tools. Additionally, the integration with Microsoft 365 apps ensures that users can access all their files, emails, and calendars without leaving the platform. Remote work flexibility. In today's hybrid work environment, Teams allows employees to work from anywhere, whether in the office, at home, or on the go. Microsoft Teams ensures that team members can stay connected and collaborate effectively. making remote work a viable option for businesses of all sizes. Scalability and security. Microsoft Teams is built for organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. It scales easily to accommodate an increasing number of users for Teams. Additionally, Microsoft Teams is backed by enterprise-grade security, ensuring that all conversations and files are protected. Teams also complies with industry standards, making it a trusted platform for businesses in regulated industries. Cost-effective solution. As part of the Microsoft 365 suite, Microsoft Teams is included in many subscription plans, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses already using Microsoft products. Teams also helps reduce costs associated with traditional communication tools like phone systems and email, as it consolidates various services into a single platform. How to use Microsoft Teams. Setting up Teams. Getting started with Teams is simple. After signing up for Microsoft 365, users can download the Teams app on their desktop or mobile device. Once installed, you can create a new team or join an existing one. Teams can be organized by departments, projects, or any other criteria, allowing for tailored communication spaces. Creating channels. After setting up your team, create channels to focus on specific topics or tasks. Channels can be public, open to all members of the team, or private, restricted to certain members. Channels are ideal for keeping conversations on track, as each channel is dedicated to a particular subject or project. Scheduling and joining meetings. Scheduling a meeting in Teams is easy as it integrates with your Outlook calendar. You can schedule meetings, add participants, and share agenda items all within the app when the time comes. Joining the meeting is as simple as clicking a link or accepting a calendar invitation. Teams also supports features like virtual backgrounds and meeting recording, sharing and collaborating on files. To share files within a chat or channel, simply click the attachment icon and select a file from your device or OneDrive. Once shared, others can view and edit the document in real time. Teams automatically saves all changes, ensuring that everyone is always working on the most up-to-date version. Managing notifications and settings. Customize your notification preferences to avoid distractions. You can choose to receive notifications for all activities, only mentions, or none at all. Additionally, Teams allows you to set your status: available, busy, away, etc., helping others know when you're available for communication. Conclusion. Microsoft Teams is more than just a chat app. It has a comprehensive collaboration platform that empowers teams to work more efficiently and stay connected, no matter where they are. With its extensive features, deep integrations with Microsoft 365, and support for remote work, Microsoft Teams is an essential tool for modern businesses looking to enhance productivity and streamline communication. Whether you're collaborating on a project, managing tasks, or hosting a meeting, Teams offers a unified solution to support your team's needs.